Hello everyone. So it's been a long time since I've posted a video. So today we'll be going to and welcome to this episode of how to make a virtual pet game. Means virtual pet game part 9 on Scratch. So first, let's now in this episode we are going to make the code like how did we do for the sleep. The same thing we are going to do here for the bath. Means for the bathing. So for that, first let's make a variable and let's name it as bath. Like to track the bath. That's how much it is. And for all sprites, it's like loading a variable name bath. Yes. Because in last episode I have means before only I have already made a bath. So this is the bath variable. First let's save it. I have already made for this already. So first, it's we add bunny. So let's first go in the bathtub sprite and let's take a Venom. Let's take a space keys pressed. It will broadcast a message called bath. So like it's a new message and let's say bath. Let's go. And yes, one more thing. Let's take a if statement. If then equals to block and costume name not this backdrop name. So when the backdrop is equal to path backdrop name, what's the backdrop name? Backdrops. Oh, yeah, no, yeah. Backdrops, it's backdrop 5. Where's the bathtub? Yes, drop number 4 to 5. So which is if it is equal to the bathroom sprite and when we press the space key then only like it will broadcast bath. You can rabbit. Yes, rabbit. And let's take a when I receive when on. Let's go here direct. I receive bath. Now let's switch to just check the position. Oh yes. For now bathroom. So here somewhere. So I receive bath. First, before we and we like put the rabbit here, we should always remove the this block. Uh, when we had kept the when we click, then it will do something. So we should always remove because and if see if I click it now, it will start again and it will be like will be not that much able to move rabbit. Where is the when flag? Let's search here. Yes, and when we do this cleanup blocks, where's cleanup blocks? Then like all the blocks are in order and we don't have to like search cleanup plus block. All the blocks are in order and it's easy to search. Yeah, I got. Let's remove it. One now only. When I receive bath, it will go here, which is X. Oh, not random position. X. What's yes? It's X91 and Y40. We'll go here, then wait until block. And yes, play sound. Let's choose a sound bubbles until done. And wait until and yes, wait until key space is pressed and then take again go to which was this normal position in the when backdrop switches to where you can find when backdrop switches to bathroom. Yes, oh it's bedroom then kitchen hall. When's backdrop? Bathroom. I think it was the same as it was in the hall. Let's search a hall. So it was. Let's copy these variables. Minus 175 is the x value. Let's take a glide. Oh no. Like minus 175, and the y value was uh where's the bag? Where is it gone? Minus 73. Yes. So now let's go here. Minus 73. Yes. We'll go again here. Yes. And let's take a forever loop. And let's go in the main lake when we have all the yes here. So let's. Oh yes, I've already added the code for the bath, so you can see here. Like after this change hunger by one, was I've already added. So yes, now you have to add a wait seconds and pick in random 15 to 2. You can add any numbers and change bath by one. And first we'll set. Oh, I forgot to set. Now we'll set and again we'll add a wait 5 to wait second. You can add anything and change sleep. So copy this code of these two blocks and this bath by one. We'll wait some seconds so that you all can copy. Till that I'll save it. Yes, it's saved now. Now let's move on. So let's take a set variable, set bath to 0. And let's go here and take a if statement. If yeah, if bath is equal to, or no, it's greater than, yeah, greater than, let's take 10. It will say uh, I am stinking. I'm stinking, and what else we can? Yes, I'm stinking, and some exclamation marks. Save it. Yes. So yes, and now let's go in the here and let's take a if then else if statement, and if again bath is less than, yes, is greater than 0, means 1 or 2. Save it. I think I made it to less than, greater than 0, then only it will do this. Yes. Now let's try it. Oh yes. And what name do you want to give? And yes, one more change I have wanted to make was in this what name. I think I'm a bit grammatically wrong. And now we can add this again. I forgot. Grammatically it would be wrong before. Yeah, very wrong. Let's try again. How do you want to name me? Oh no. How do you want to name me? So for now, I think this is okay. What do you want to name me? I'll take it Sam, capital one, and yes. So if it is, oh yes, I forgot. Show the path. And now if I first, nothing happened because it is not. And when I switch to bathroom, still because it is still 0, so we cannot, even she cannot go. When it changes to 1, then only he can go. Now let's click it. Yeah, it's like bit funny. Now we'll not focus on hunger and thirst, but now we are focusing on bath. And in the next episode, I think I will be going to a playthrough, and if there are some bug fixes, then I will surely do that. So stay tuned for the next episode. Yeah. Oh, I think it's a problem. Let's go in the bathtub. I think when we click it, it broadcasts the message of. I think there is no problem in that. I think all the problem here is in this forever loop. If we delete it, and let's try it now. Delete block. Where's delete? And now we'll remove and try, or else I have another idea. Now for now I'm going to set the bath 1 to 1 so that it becomes very quickly. Bath to 1. Let's try. This one. Type. And I press space key. Yes, and it is. Oh yes. Oh no, I just forgot. Oh yes, and the main thing that we had to do is, and when it goes here, it will first change bath by -1. It's becoming 0. And again it will wait, pick in random, wait 3 to 6 seconds, and or let's take the screw and it looks like it's bathing for a quite long time, like 3 to 6 seconds. Like we don't bath for like 1 to 2 seconds and it changes it. We bath for at least half an hour, 15. And now let's try. Why it's not coming? Yes, it's still 1. Bathroom. When I space the space key, it goes. First we have to wait 3 to 6 seconds. And when this changes, then we can come. Let's wait. It's 0. Now we can. Oh, it's not happening. -175. Wait until space key is pressed. It's not coming. Yeah. Now let's add a forever loop and check. It's a bug. Let's zoom in. Yes. Bathroom and it's 1. Space key. Until it comes, yes. And now it's not coming. Until key space is pressed. I think let's all change this to again take a if statement, and if duplicate this block and add it here. And yes, we go in the bathtub and oh no. Delete and take when backdrop switches to bathroom. Let's try. One man is done and the bathroom. Nothing happens. When I space is space, when it's the background is switched off. And now yes. That's okay. Yes. Now let's see. When the one is one and I place the stress screen, I think now if I now it's perfect. So this was all for this episode of How to Make Virtual. It's a virtual pet game part 10 on Scratch. So stay tuned for the next episode and bye and scratch on.